In this video, I'll show you how to create a new character in GTA 5 Online. All you have to do is, if you're in a lobby, simply pause the game and then go to the online section, select that, and then scroll down and select Manage Characters. Choose that, and then you'll be asked, are you sure to quit? Simply confirm, then give it a few seconds. And then from here, you should get to this section, choose a character. So you can choose to create a new character, or you can choose to override an existing character. So since you're creating a new character, all you have to do is select this, and then select create a new character, and then you should see this, you're about to save this character to an empty slot. Simply select OK to proceed. And then you should see a brief cutscene, so give it a few minutes. And then from here, you should see this, you have been awarded 4 million to kickstart your career. Simply select continue. And then from here, you can start all over again. So choose the one that you would like to use. So, and then you have to buy any upgrades that might be needed. So simply purchase them. And then once you purchase everything, all you have to do is select Start First Career, and that will launch a new GTA session with your new character. So give it a few minutes, and then it should take you to this location. And then from here, you can customize your character, your new character, if you want male, female, and all the other features that are currently available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.